Hello Avalyn, this is your video lesson for September 30th. I hope you're feeling better. I know you were sick last week. To be honest, I can't remember if we left off on Little Lost Kitty or if we did Monsieur Mouse. Now I'm pretty sure we learned half notes, which means we are on Monsieur Mouse, but I wouldn't mind if you wanted to practice Little Lost Kitty. It's on your lesson book, the yellow book, and flip to page 44, and it should say Little Lost Kitty. And let's take a look at the page once we're there. Which hand starts first? So we're playing C, D's, and E's. C, D's, and E's. Now, which hand plays first? It tells us LH, which means L is for left. So left hand plays first. So I'm looking this way. This is my left. And we start on E, E. Oh, my piano doesn't play that E. So let me move up. E, E, D, D, C, C, D, D. That's left hand. So try that page with the left hand. And you can pause the video. Pause the video. Okay, and once you play that E, E, D, D, C, C, D, D, your right hand takes over on the next page and starts on C. C, C, D, D, E, D, C, C. And then the dots tell us to repeat. So if you'd like to practice that song, go ahead and practice it now. If we've already moved on from this, you're already doing Monsieur Mouse, you can go ahead and skip this song. Okay, now review. We learned our half notes, which are 2 beats. This is what a half note looks like. Maybe put the brightness down. Half note, right? And then our quarter note is like this, but it's filled in black. So half note is 2 beats, and we'll be ready to play that with our Monsieur Mouse. So Monsieur Mouse is on page 48. I think that's the one we're on. And we're on C, D's, and E's again. But now we have different notes. We have C, D, E, for example. We start with the left hand again. C, D, E, but we hold the E for 2 beats because it's a half note. C, C, D, 1, 2. E gets 2 beats. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. So try that counting, focusing on counting and making sure we're holding our half notes out for 2 beats and we're holding our quarter notes for 1 beat. So try the left hand. You can pause the video. And then the next page, our right hand takes over. C, D, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so try the right hand, starting on C. Right hand. Okay, I paused because I don't know if you paused the video or not, but if you pause the video, then there was just a moment of silence. And then those 2 dots at the end tell us to repeat. So let's go ahead, both hands ready on the piano, C to D, C, D, E, C, D, E with both hands. And you start left hand first, and then eventually your right hand's gonna take over. So try that with both hands and pause the video and repeat. Okay, now that we've done that song, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to, when next time I see you skip that song, or I'll listen to it because it was for homework, and we'll be able to pass that song. And then, let's go back to page 47. Now we did page 47, looks like this, and I want to practice rhythms. So let's clap half notes. So if we were to clap a half note, wow, I look a little crazy. It's 2 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. So clap 2 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do 4 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do quarter notes. 4 quarter notes. 1 beat each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try. Now let's do 2 quarter notes and 1 half note. So that would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you hold the second one. Now, you can try knocking on the piano as well. Let's knock. So if I were to go like this, let me show you. We're knocking on the piano. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna knock on the piano with our right hand treble clef. Right hand treble clef knocks on the piano 4 times. 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do our left hand 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do both hands knocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's do 4 quarter notes. 4 half notes. So 2 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I know this exercise is a little tiring, but I wanted to practice. You're holding our half notes out and keeping our quarter notes 1 beat. So now that we've done that activity, I'd want you to go back to Monsieur Mouse on page 48 to 49 on C, D's, and E's, and go ahead and try that song one more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, and that's the end of your video lesson. You can go back if you need any additional help, or you can send it. Your mom can send me a text. That works too. Okay, and I'll see you next week. I hope you're feeling better. Bye.